All right, so I've been hearing online one cool product that we have not got our hands on at our house, which is some NeeDoh. This is the Nice Cube. Super solid, squishy, and my wife hopefully is coming in the room now, can hear footsteps, so she can enjoy the NeeDoh with me before she goes and sits down. So we're going to get a first look at the NeeDoh together here. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we're working with. Beth, are you excited about this?
Mm-hmm.
So she's been talking about this for a while. We decided to pick it up on our own. Let's see if I can get it open here. I didn't even prep for the opening of this. Yeah. Oh, so you think they're going to want to, or did they recommend this to you? The softball players did?
Mm-hmm.
They did? Uh-oh. All right, let's see if we can get this. They have it nicely taped in the box, so I'm not going to sit here and lie to you without me ripping it open like a savage. We're going to get in here and see what it is. It says, squish me, squeeze me, and I always go back to a square. So we're going to put that to the test, especially with my kids messing around with this. Here we go. Hand out. You're going to get the first. I'm not even going to first. Oh, my. Okay, maybe I got to grab it.
Oh.
It's heavier than it looks. So I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. It is much heavier than it looks. I don't even know the weight of it.
Oh my goodness.
It says NeeDoh Nice Cube, the new squishy square sensation. With Super Solid Squish, it is a squish that resists. Try it and you'll see it's hip to be square. It doesn't say the physical weight of it. Is it heavier than you think?
I mean, this is my left hand, but
That's your left hand. Let me see. I gotta see this. Hold on. Look at that go back to a square. That is wild. You think you can pop it, though? I know that's like a weird question. Do you think it's poppable? I don't think so. I think you'd have a hard time with it. But man, it's heavier. You know, like most things are just like smaller. This is like, I mean, like it's kind of
good for your wrist.
Like, I don't know if I could use this to build like forearm muscles and stuff, but really just, I don't know. Let's see it go back to square. Let's see what it does. I mean, just like that. It's even. All right. I'm sold. That's pretty cool. I think the kids are going to love it, though. It says it is made with Schylling, or that's maybe the location. But I don't know how. I wonder if it's just thicker in one piece, or is there something on the inside of it? Like, that's what I'm curious. Like, is there something actually, or is it all one piece? I have no clue, but I can tell you what, I might play with this just quite frequently. We're going to be arguing. We're going to have to get a couple of these for the household. What do you think, Beth?
Do not heat, freeze, or microwave.
Okay, don't heat, freeze, or microwave. We've learned that.
Do not leave in a hot car.
Interesting. Just look at that. Just comes right back to it.
I like it.
That's pretty cool. Guys, get yourself some NeeDoh. Definitely check it out. This is a cool squishy, squeezy sensation. Check it out.